Dad. What are you doing?
Nothing out of the ordinary, son. I'm trying to be the last person standing.
What? Are you playing Fortnite?
No, silly. I'm playing Brawl Stars. Chuck plays it too, right?
Oh. I see.
Red, our inner conditioner's broken.
Already. But we only just brought it.
Well, I didn't do anything. All I did was I tried to turn it on, but then, poofeet, it's dead.
Well, the only bad thing is that we can't afford all that money to get a new AC.
So, why don't you just go out there and steal your neighbor's air conditioner? Here, you'll be fine.
So I could be accused of theft and get arrested? No can do.
Oh my god, guys. I finally got a victory royale after 2.5 years.
Hold on. Is that Fortnite you're playing?
Well, oh, yeah.
Well, uninstall that game and not play it again.
But
now.
How, my man? How's it going?
Oh, you know, the weather isn't exactly as warm as I thought. Didn't they teach you how to throw boomerangs in Australia?
Well, no, I don't think so.
My ancestors were born Australian. My dad was a farmer who lived in a cattle station, and my mother was a florist. Got the picture?
Well, that's cool. So what are your plans tonight?
We're going to have a big party at Dr. Fox's house tonight. Your family is invited. We're going to have loads of games, drinking, chatting and all. In fact, the music will be so loud that other neighbours will be calling the noise control squad by then. But that's not really going to happen, is it? So, are you in?
Hell yeah! Bring it on!
Brilliant. I'll see you at the party.
man, I can't believe Red just forbade me from playing Fortnite.
Because that game is not relevant anymore.
I know, but how can I live with myself after I stopped playing Angry Birds 2? Luckily I got Brawl Stars, but is that enough?
Then why don't you just play the original Angry Birds?
But that game is already dead.
Or, at least download the APK file of it. I don't care if it's a virus, it's safe.
Wanna know what's not safe? Blue crossing this road unsupervised with no zebras. Now that's dangerous.
Why, hello there, neighbors. Is everything okay?
Yes.
No.
I say, everything's perfectly and nicely fine. I just have something to plan tonight.
What's this?
We're having a party for all the guests tonight. You family and everybody else. This party as a whole is an experiment of how loud a party can go on without the other neighbors waking up. If the experiment fails, it'll be my fault, I know. But we can still rock out all night long.
Oh cool, I'm in.
So am I.
Absolutely not. You're not going to the party as long as I say so.
Oh, what?
That is not fair, Red.
Hey! Don't treat Chuck and Blue as if they were your kids. I'm the head of this family, not you.
Chuck is my responsibility, and as a brother, I'm obliged to do whatever I want to do with them.
For God's sake, Ed, they're not young kids anymore. They are allowed to do whatever they want, and you can't just parent them like that. Will you please just let them go to the party, or do I have to give you discipline?
Yeah, you tell him, Grandpa.
Please, Red, can we go?
Fine. You win. You can go to the party tonight.
Yes.
But on one condition. No drinking. I don't want to see you wrecking things while being drunk. Okay?
Okay, Red, I promise.
Good.
Hello. Thank you for calling Satch's Air Springs. Yes, we're fully aware that the shipping has been delayed. That's because our stupid delivery man John got distracted by a rapping cat. If you have any problems, just call me at any time. Or, at least call someone else because I'm too lazy to do this job.
Zach, I think there's a little problem you're having with the logo right now. It looks something like if it was sandwiched. Do you mind fixing it?
Why didn't you just call someone else to do it?
Because Chris said that he quit his job because it got too complicated. That's why you have to do it for him.
Are you serious? I haven't even trained for placing logos yet.
Or why don't you just ask this man right here?
Where the hell have you been? What did I tell you about that delay you caused?
I'm sorry, boss. That cat who rapped was so good. It's even better than that dog singing a song wie the howling.
Don't be so overdramatic, John. That wasn't even funny. You should have gone to work sooner enough.
Oh look, Marietta Perez accepted my friend request.
Will you stop using Facebook for once and listen to me?
Wait, who's Marietta Perez?
It's none of your business. She's just any other stranger John meets.
Hey. Ep.02?
Do you know what your problem is, John? You're the most annoying worker I have ever hired in my company ever since I became CEO here. You won't even listen to me and all you do is nothing but cause trouble. It's over, John. You are fired, with immediate effect.
You're firing me? But you can't do that. He needs the money.
For who? For the birds? I don't think so, mate.
But he wouldn't work for Reed or Terence unless there was something really bad going on with their family. Please sir, will you re-hire me?
Hell no. I'm not working with you ever again. Now get the hell out of my sight.
No.
Gee, that went well.
Okay, so Red told me I could only go to the party if I don't drink alcohol.
Well, we got alcohol-free drinks at the party. What do you reckon? Some Fanta, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, or even Hell Energy?
Hell Energy? What is that?
It's what they drink in Hungary. Theory has it that if you drink Hell Energy while feeling exhausted and really tired, it can increase your energy and you'll go flaming energetic. Literally. That's why they call it Hell Energy.
Maybe it doesn't sound so bad after all.
Very first game. I'm the captain and you're my best.
What the hell was that? Did we just hear Lydia's voice?
Hey, you! Chuck! Gee, bird! I know you're in here. Is that come in, please?
No, back off. Back off and get away from me. Come one step closer and I'll shoot your brains out.
Hell! Okay, I'm going. Goodbye, Chuck.
Creep, she knows I'm in Nigeria. Everywhere I go, I always see her face. The way she stares at me is, well, you know.
Creepy? Yeah, I know. I find it creepy too, but please just ignore her and focus on the party instead, because that's what Friday nights are about.
Wow. Sounds like a party going on there.
Well, I told you there's gonna be a party. But I'm quite worried about Chuck right now.
He's a grown kid, Red. If he makes a mistake, he'll admit his responsibility. He can look after himself.
Hey guys! Great party, but I really must go fee.
Wait a second. Who did Hal just invite?
What are you looking at?
I'm telling you, Hal, this woman Lydia is a creep. How many times have you encountered her?
3? Maybe more.
Oh, whatever. Lydia still looks harmless when you look at her, no matter how creepy her stare is.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
What the hell are you doing here? Who invited you here?
Suki day! Why, kids can go to adult parties, can't they?
And why do you think you came here for? A compromise? Huh? If you're wanting to make an apology, well, it will 100% be denied. So why don't you just go home and find another place to party?
Whoa! Thanks, Chuck. Your support was overwhelming.
Hello, Stranger. I always knew you would be here.
I'm sorry, but I don't know who you are.
You are eating to me, Robert. We can get married in the Bahamas and spend the rest of our lives together. Just say the word and it'll be yours.
What are you doing? Are you trying to propose me? I have a boyfriend.
Oh come on, Chuck Bird won't know that we're together. Kiss me, baby. I know you wanna.
No.
Hey, you know you can't party if you're someone else. Drink this.
Oh my god, I feel so awesome.
Whoa.
That weird guy tried to proxy you. Why would he do that?
I don't know. He's probably having second thoughts. I think he's acting really strange, and I don't know what's wrong with him.
Yeah, he must be speaking with a German accent. He must have come straight from Berlin.
Or Austria, probably.
Guys, you need to get over here right now. Alfred's car's on fire.
Wait, what?
Oh dear, that's a lot of damage. Come on, Orange, I know you're brave. What? At least I did a good job, did I?
How can you be so irresponsible? Huh? How can you be so irresponsible by burning down my car? Do you know how much that car costed? $2 billion. That's at least 701.348.000.00 Hungarian forint.
Oh come on bro, I was only
Don't you dare bro at me like that. We lost all our money and we can't afford to get a new car, thanks to Zach.
But the damage can't be that bad. Yes, the fire may have burned down the car, but we can still find a way to fix it. I'll use my money and I'll get your car back.
Too late. My car was already destroyed. It's dead. My dreams and hopes are all gone. It was all Orange's fault.
What?
Are you serious?
That's not true. Orange has got nothing to do with this. You can't blame him for that.
He's right, Red. It was just a party, that's all. I'm sure there was no harm done. Except the car that was burnt down.
And what have you all got to say for yourselves? What did I tell you this afternoon? You promised me that you won't drink alcohol.
It's not what you think! Shoop was only drinking a Hell Energy drink, not beer!
And that makes it better, does it?
It was all my fault. I was lacking energy. So Hell brought me a Hell Energy drink. That was when I got crazy and threw a Molotov cocktail at your car. I didn't mean for all of this to happen. I'm sorry for what I've done, and it won't happen again.
Damn right it won't. Because as long as you carry on like this, you will not be part of my family anymore. Now get to your room.
Don't you dare treat me like you were my—
Go now!
Congratulations, my boy. You just humiliated my son's life.
Who invited you to speak?